What if your AI assistant could dive into any GitHub project, understand the code, explain it, and even help debug it? That's now a reality, at least if you're a Gemini Advanced user. Google has just rolled out a powerful new feature to its AI chatbot Gemini, allowing it to directly connect with GitHub repositories. Whether your codebase is public or private, Gemini can now access it, analyze it, and assist with everything from generating new code to fixing bugs. To get started, all you have to do is click the plus button in the Gemini prompt bar, choose Import Code, and paste the URL of the GitHub project you want to explore. But here's the catch. It's only available to users on the $20 per month Gemini Advanced plan. Before you get too excited, it's worth noting that AI coding tools still have limitations. Google's models, like others, can produce code that looks great but may have security issues or logical flaws. In fact, in a recent evaluation, Devon, another AI coding tool, only passed 3 out of 20 programming tasks. That highlights how far these tools still have to go before they can be fully trusted for high-stakes software development. Still, the pace of innovation is staggering. Google's GitHub integration comes hot on the heels of OpenAI launching a similar connector for its ChatGPT deep research tool. That one also taps into GitHub and a range of sources to build detailed research reports. OpenAI is also expanding fast, recently adding SharePoint and Microsoft OneDrive connectors. It's clear that these AI giants are in a race to see who can offer the most helpful, integrated tools for developers and researchers. So if you're a developer looking for smart AI help with your GitHub projects, Gemini just became a much more capable teammate. If you're enjoying these updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. We want to hear your thoughts. And if you're curious about what other tools are transforming the way we work with code, check out the related video in the corner right now.